Alright, so let me show you guys how to work this thing. Chilton's manual. You get it for your car, whatever your car is. And then they got a section here, troubleshooting. So you look through here. In my case, it's an internal coolant leakage. If you find coolant mixed with your oil, follow these steps. So it looks like it's a leaking cylinder head, and looks like we're gonna have to take everything apart to get to it, to fix it. So let's do it. Alright, like I said before, this thing's been sitting here since the fall of 2019, and it's September 2021. So we're going to get this thing running and in perfect shape. So what I've already tried to do is I found out that the battery was dead. I got a brand new battery, and then I tried to start it, and the starter was dead. So I took the starter off already. I took it to get tested and it failed. So I bought a new starter and installed it, but I didn't try to start it because when I checked what was in the oil pan after draining a little bit, it was all orange, 100% coolant, antifreeze. So that's where we're starting right now. All right, so let's test this oil and see what the dipstick says. Oh boy. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but that's how high the oil is. Oh, I guess what happened is when the coolant seeped into where the oil is supposed to be, the oil floated. So that's why it's so high, and that's why when I drained the oil out of the oil pan, it was all radiator fluid. So the Chilton's manual said to remove the battery first. Now I've got to disconnect the fuel pump fuse, and it's inside here. And how you find out what it is I went into my manual for my car, and it's right here. It's a yellow fuse, number 20, fuel system. This is nice because it has this little fuse puller, and here it is right here. It even tells you on here, if you can figure this out. I need this one. Come on. Success. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back in, but I'm going to just not even plug it in, just so we know where it goes and it doesn't get lost. Lock this up. Now to the next step.